Hey guys, today I'm doing an update on my all lip product project pan. This is a rolling project pan for the whole year. My personal goal is to try to use up 18 lip products, but what I'm doing is I'm putting in a lip product to my project. I have 10 right now, and every month I do an update on how those 10 are going. If I use something up, I put something new in so that I always have 10 items. And this project is in collaboration with the Pantastic Ladies, a group on Facebook, so I will put that information in the description box, as well as the things that I've used up, I think are down there, but I'll also put links for the other videos I've done, probably in the which I think is over here, but I'll try to put something in the description box as well. I will be putting you down to the down view to see my progress on these items and talk you through how I've been doing. So if you've seen any of my past videos doing project panning, you'll know that I like to keep track of weights on my scale, and I use my notebook for that. So this is like my weights and the markings for my lip products. So last time I added in 2 lip products. I added in the Lipstick Queen Vesuvius liquid lipstick and the Tom Ford Indian Rose lip color in a mini size. I had used up 2 items, so I put 2 new items in. The Lipstick Queen it's called a liquid lipstick, but it's really like a lip gloss that you twist to have product come out of the brush tip applicator, and I have used up 0.17 grams of this product. So I don't know exactly how much is in here in terms of grams, but it is 0.08 fluid ounces or 2.4 milliliters, and we'll just kind of see when it decides to be done. Up next is my Tom Ford mini lipstick, and I had forgotten to mark a line, so there's a line now, but I used 0.01 grams, so probably wouldn't have shown up as a difference on the line anyway, and you can just kind of see how much product is there. It's like basically the whole thing. I did use this, but I had forgotten that I had put it into the project, so I had weighed it at the time that I put it in, but then I forgot that it was in the project, so I used it, but then stopped because I thought it wasn't in the project. Anyway, minimal progress there. Something that has a little bit more progress is my NARS stick in Dolce Vita. This has almost a whole gram of use. It has 0.98 grams of usage. So this is the new line on my page. Let's see if I can get the angle on that. It looks like it's not accurate, but anyway, I've been using this a lot. I don't think I like these that much, actually. Like, they have a weird silicone type feel on the lips, but I've been getting through it somewhat quickly since it's got a lot of progress. And that weighs 6.49 grams currently, so that's with the lid on it, and there's unusable space here as well that I don't know how much it weighs. So worked on that, and then I believe my MAC Nice and Spicy liner has a good amount of usage as well. So this is a new line that I just drew, and there you can see it on the line. This I used 0.15 grams of the product, and I'm just seeing some usage, so it's a good time. Then I've got a little bit of usage on Aquarius by ColourPop, and I will show you. So actually, rolled all the way down, you can not even see it anymore. And this is the product rolled all the way up. So this has 0.05 grams of usage, which seems like not very much, but I did mark a new line. So right here is the new line on my page. So there you go. It's really hard for me to get a good angle on these today. Anyway, My next products, I believe I did not Oh, I marked a line for this one. So I actually marked a line for the liner for Bound. So I've got some usage on it. So this is how much product there is, and I'll just go ahead and show you. So this is a two-sided product. So there's the update for Bound. Let me see. For some reason in weight, that has no change. LBB had no change. I don't believe I used this. I also did not use my Makeup Forever liner, and it had no change in weight. My Bite Leche stick, I don't see any difference to mark a line, but I did use 0.01 grams of product. I did actually try to use this a lot, but I think because the tip is worn down now, there's just like no visible changes. But you can see, I mean, rolling it down, it actually is like all the way down here, so I'm using it, I promise. And then my final product is the Fiona Styles Hester, which has 0.01 grams of usage and not visible for marking. So that is the progress on all of my items. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this update, and I don't know if I'll be able to use one of these up by next time. I'm hoping to get through the lip gloss quickly and maybe the NARS and Tom Ford as well, but it's so hard to say. I guess my goal would be to definitely use up this Bound and Cami Lippy to Go by next update. So that'll be my little goal for myself, and I'll see you guys next month. Bye!